Hello, friends of chemistry. We're here doing Module 7 practice problems, and these can be found on page
246.
Thank you. Okay, so I wrote number 1 down on the board, but read it anyway for us, please.
Give the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons in the following atoms.
All right. So the first one is ZR. Let's find out what that is by looking at the periodic table in front of your book. It's 90 ZR. So ZR is zirconium. Its atomic number is 40, as you can see at the beginning of the book. Okay, so what does the 90 mean, Marty?
It means the number of those 3 particles it
has. No, it's actually just the neutrons and the protons. So the 40, okay, so if you're looking at the periodic table, we see that the number of ZR, zirconium, is 40. That means it has 40 protons. That's what the atomic number means by its definition. Okay, so if the number of the isotope is 90, that means the neutrons and protons together make 90. That means that it has how many neutrons?
45.
Sorry, it has 40 protons. It has 90 as a number.
50, yeah.
So it's going to have 50, okay? The number of protons and electrons in an atom or isotope will be
90.
The same. And so we have 40 of those, so it's going to be 40 electrons. Okay? So now let's look at the next Hg. That's mercury. Thank you. So we have 2O2 Hg. All right, let's flip it open the periodic table. And he's finding mercury. Its atomic number 80.
Yeah.
Okay. So letter B. Since the atomic number is 80, what does that tell us?
Tells us that that's how many protons there is in there. So
as well as
the electrons.
Okay, so 80 protons, 80 electrons.
That's 160.
So we take 202 and we minus 80.
No, minus 160.
No, we don't add these up.
Oh, right.
The electrons have no mass. As far as you're concerned, they have nothing to do with this number.
So
this number is
neutrons.
Only the protons and electrons. $122 neutrons. Okay, so the isotope number, let's just review that. The isotope number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. Okay? Basically the mass of the nucleus, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the number of protons will equal the number of electrons. Okay?
Yeah.
So you're not going to calculate the number of electrons, and you're not going to calculate the number of protons. You're going to find out what the atomic number is, and that tells you what again?
Tells us the number of protons.
Exactly. The atomic number tells us the number of protons. The isotope number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. And the number of protons will equal the number of electrons, which means, of course, that the number of electrons will equal the atomic number. Okay, so let's look at letter C, nickel, 58.
Yeah, 28.
So 28 is his atomic number. That tells us that there are how many protons?
28.
And how many electrons?
28.
And then we do a simple subtraction to get the number of neutrons, which gives us 30 neutrons. And Rn, I'm not sure which one that is.
222 Rn. It's radon. Its
Good.
atomic number is 86.
86. Okay, so letter D is going to have 86 protons, 86 electrons, and 222 minus 86, 136 neutrons.
Yeah.
Any questions about that? Did you write it all down?
Yes.
If you didn't write, I don't think you did. Please write it all down. Thank you so much. We're going to come back with another video.